EPS teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to DPS teleclass. I am Maimunat Suha, your maths teacher. Today I am here to recall the topic fractions. Before starting the lesson, let's recite the dua with me.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Learning intentions. Today we are going to learn to recall fractions. Addition, subtraction, multiplication of fraction, and changing mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper to mixed fraction. Success criteria. You will be successful if you can able to understand how to add, subtract, multiply and change mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper to mixed fractions. Converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Vocabulary. Convert means to change from one form to another. Mixed number means a whole number and a fraction. For example, 1 by 4th. Improper fraction. A fraction larger than one whole. The numerator will be larger than the denominator. For example, 9 by 5. Mixed numbers. A mixed number has a part that is a whole and a part that is a fraction. For example, a square, 1 square and 3/4. 3 part is colored and 1 part is left. So it is 1 and 3/4. Some examples of mixed numbers include 3 3/4. 3 whole is colored and 1 3 is colored and 1 is left. So it is 3 3/4. Another example is 5 half. 5 is colored and 1 half is colored. Another example of mixed number is 2 by 3. 2 whole is colored and 2 from 3 2 is colored. Improper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, which is known as improper fraction. For example, 8 by 4th. Another example of improper fraction is 19 by 4. Mixed number to improper fractions. It means changing a mixed number to improper fractions. First, you have to multiply the whole number times the denominator. Then add your answer to the numerator. Then put the number over the denominator. For example, 2 half. So you have to times 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1, which is 5. So the answer is 5 by 2. 2 half, which is changed to improper, which is 5 by 2. Converting the mixed number to an improper fraction. First, you have to change 4 half to an improper fraction. First, you have to multiply 4 and 2, which is 8. 8 plus 1, it comes 9. And you have to write 9 in the numerator, and in the denominator you have to write 2. This time 6 2 by 3. So the 6 times 3 comes 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So we had to write 20 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So the 6 2 by 3 when we change to an improper fraction, the answer is 20 by 3. 3 2 by 5 changes to improper fraction. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So we have to write 17 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. So 3 2 by 5 changes to improper fraction equal to 17 by 5. 4 3 by 4 changes to an improper fraction. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 equal to 19. So we have to write 19 in the numerator and we have to write 4 in the denominator. So 4 3 by 4 equal to 19 by 4 as the improper fraction. Converting the mixed number to an improper fraction. 6 1 by 3 gives 19 by 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So we have to write 19 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So 6 1 by 3 change it to an improper fraction gives 19 by 3. Another example, 8 3 by 5 change it to an improper fraction gives 43 by 5, which is 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43 and we have to write 5 in the denominator. So 8 3 by 5 gives 43 by 5 as a improper fraction. Changing improper fraction to a mixed number. First you have to divide the number by the denominator and put the remainder over the denominator. For example, 5 by 2. When we have to divide 5 from 2, in the times of 5, 4 comes, so it is from 2 and 5 minus 4 it is 1. So we have to write 2 1 by 2 as the answer. When we convert 7 by 3, the answer comes to 1 by 3. Now I am going to show you how to do addition of unlike fractions. Here you can see 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3 and you can see that 2 and 3 the denominators are different. So what we have to do is we have to make the denominator same. In order to make the denominator same, we have to find LCM. 2, 3. From the times of 2, the 2 comes 2 times 1. So we have to write 1 here and we have to write 3. And once again we have to write 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3. So we have to write 1 here. We have to multiply 2 times 3. So the answer is 6. So here you have to write 2 times 3 is 6. So 3 times 3. Here 3 times 2 is 6 and here 5 times 2. And you have to write 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. And 3 times 2 is 6. Now you have to add the following numbers. 9 plus 10. Divide by, you have to write 6. 9 plus 10 is 19. And you have to write 6. Here you can see that this is an improper fraction. So what you have to do is you have to do division. 6 times 3 is 18. So 19 minus 18 is 1. So the answer is 3 1 by 6. So it is written as a mixed number. So that's all for now. I hope you have understand how to change addition of unlike number to a like number. Adding and subtracting simple fractions. Fractions should always be cancelled down to their lowest terms. We can show this calculation in a diagram. Denominator is the bottom number of a fraction and the numerator is the top number of a fraction. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. We have to minus 7 from 3. 7 minus 3 and we have to divide by 8. 7 minus 3 is 4 and we have to divide and write 8 in the denominator. And we have to reduce it from multiples of 4. 4 times 1 is 4, so we have to reduce and write 1. And 8 times and 4 times 2 is 8, so we have to write 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Adding and subtracting simple fractions. When fractions have the same denominator, it is quite easy to add them together and to subtract them. For example, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 5. 3 plus 1 is 4 and we have to write 5 as the denominator. So the answer is 4 by 5. Here is an example of subtraction of fraction. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. In this number, first you have to remember that you have to subtract the numerators. So you have to write 3 minus 1 divided by 4. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 4. We can reduce this number by 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1 and 4 by 2 equal to 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Multiplication of fractions. How to find a fraction of a fraction, students? First thing you have to remember is of. Of means multiply in mathematics. How to find a fraction of a fraction? Step 1. When you see a fraction problem, you know when you read in the problem you multiply. So 1 by 2 times 4 by 9. Step 2. Multiply your numerator straight across. 1 times 4 equal to 4. So you have to write 4 in the numerator. Step 3. Then multiply your denominator straight across. 2 times 9 equal to 18. So 1 by 2 times 4 by 9 gives 4 by 18. How to find the fraction of a fraction? Step 4. Simplify your answer. In this case, we can reduce. 1 by 2 times 4 by 9 gives 4 by 18. We can reduce it from 2. 4 divided by 2 gives 2. 18 divided by 2 gives 9. 8 by 9 times 3 by 4 gives 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 4 is 36. So 24 by 36. We can divide it by 12. Multiples of 12. So the answer comes 2 by 3. Multiply and simplify. 7 by 2 times 4 by 3 gives 7 times 4 is 28. 2 times 3 is 6. So 28 by 6. So students, remember 28 by 6 is an improper fraction. So we have to divide it. Okay. So 28 is divided by 6. So the number which is nearer to 28 is 24, which is coming from 4 times 6 is 24. And when we subtract 28 from 24, the answer is 4. So the answer is 4 by 6. Again we can divide it from 2. So the answer comes 2 by 3. Let's do multiplication of unlike denominators. I have taught in the previous slides multiplication of like denominators. This time I am going to teach you multiplication of unlike denominators. In this number you can see that 3 and 2, the denominators are different. And so we have to do 1 times 1 is 1 and 3 times 2 is 6. So 1 by 6, can we reduce this one? No, we can't reduce. So from here the answer is close. So this is the answer of this one, 1 by 6. That's all for now. I hope you have got more knowledge about fractions, and I hope you have recalled all the things which is related to fractions. That's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.
UPS Teleclass